previous videos. If you are new here, we take pieces of clothing that you already have in your closet that you no longer wear and create new pieces that you do want to wear. This way we're helping save the planet because we're recycling textiles. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this tank top. I've been seeing this tank top on so many celebrities. I'll insert photos here. So I thought we can make a cute St. Patrick's Day top with this aesthetic. What you will need is an old white tank top, some green shamrocks that you can print on transfer paper. So let me know in the comments if you want me to put where I get my transfer paper in the description. You will also need a sewing machine to fix the hem of the bottom of the shirt, but this step is optional if you like more of a uneven, kind of distressed looking aesthetic. So let's get started. Right now these shamrocks are not on the shirt yet. I'm just kind of placing it to show you. The first thing that we are going to do is remove the shamrocks from the shirt. We will add these later. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bring out some fabric scissors or a fabric cutter. I'm pretty sure that's not what this instrument is called, but I don't know what it's called. And we're going to cut our tank top to the desired length. You can measure on yourself how long you want the shirt to be. I'm going to cut off maybe 1.5 inches just to make it a little cropped. And I'm going to place a ruler so that I can cut straight. And I'm going to cut with the fabric scissors. Once it is cut, you can place the bottom piece aside. We do recycle textiles, so I will be using the bottom piece for something else, maybe a headband. But for now, I'm just going to put it on the side. So the bottom looks like this, and the top of the shirt looks like this. Now we are going to add the shamrocks. The true paper that I use, you peel off the image like a sticker. Although I have issues opening the fruit bag at the grocery store, so this takes me a while. But you pretty much just peel it off, and then you stick the picture onto the shirt in the position that you want it on your shirt. So I'm just going to adjust it, make sure both shamrocks are even, nicely equal distance from it, and then when I'm happy, all you're going to do is run an iron over it. By putting your iron on a lower setting or placing a thin sheet above the shamrocks so that it doesn't get wrinkled or burned. But this is what it looks like when you're done. I'm going to make a really cute St. Patrick's Day outfit, and you can pair it with some cute Converse. Let me know if you end up making this top. Share it on our Instagram, tag us on Instagram, or duet us on TikTok, and let us know what outfit you put together. If you like these type of videos where we recreate celebrity clothes, let us know what celebrity you want to see next. Bye!